This is Sunday, the 12th of January, and we're in Calpe by the rock, Calpe Rock, which is incredible. You'll see lots of it in this video, and we're going to pop along and get a drink in a minute. But Magdalena and I would like to wish you a good week coming up. And if you like the videos, please subscribe, please click the bell, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Is that right, Magdalena?
Send the video your families, your friends, and talk about this beautiful work that Barry do it with so much love for all of them. Together, make new kind of programs, we kind of style of life.
So we look forward to seeing you all soon anyway. Okay, bye, ciao.
I for view around.
Yeah, it's a lovely view around. I mean, there's not many people here this morning. I mean, it's quite early, obviously, and it's not particularly warm, being only 16 degrees. But for what we're doing a video and having to walk around, it's not that much of a problem, really. You know, it's nice to get out early and get things done, and then you're off back to Valencia, of course.
Yes.
But yeah, no, it's good. And you can talk if you want.
Yes, it's incredible how beautiful it is around the Calpe Rock, the port, and all the towns very far from. You can see it. It's incredible. You can see Benidorm very far from. It's incredible there. The big buildings in the end. So beauty. This is beautiful. It's better. It's in this. It's better.
You can see what's going on, can you?
Oh yeah, it's very far from this Benidorm. It's incredible. We can see Benidorm from here.
Yeah.
So beauty place to the restaurant, take pictures, make a picnic, go to the restaurant, have all here. Incredible all around. Oh, they are coming to the rock, to the top.
Yeah.
The sport boys. You can take a...
We have some guys in front of us. There's 4 of them, and they've got ropes and all kinds of things tied to themselves. So they're obviously going up on the rock to do some climbing, and all very young, all very fit. So a lot easier for those guys than older people like us. So I don't think we could do it, Magdalena, somehow.
Oh yes, they can do it, but we can see them and enjoy too, and make a picnic near of the beach or go to the bar, to the restaurant. It's different activities for all.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see where they go. We might be able to get the first part of them climbing. Stop.
And the other boats there.
Yeah, there's lots of small sailing boats.
Sailing boats.
And we've got all the apartments all the way along the coastline. Look.
Oh yes, I love the sailboats.
At the end by the rock, we've come across a group of people doing yoga. Well, that's what we think they're doing. Not 100% sure, of course, not being an expert in yoga. But there's a big group of them, as you can see in front of me, with some music playing. sea is a beautiful colour. So this is another part where the Calpe Rock is, and they've got restaurants down here. A lot of fish restaurants. One or two are closed, but the rest are open. And they've got little stalls on the left, which Magdalena is quite excited about.
Oh yes, I love the stores. Love the beach, but love the stores.
She likes to look at, see what they've got for sale.
Oh yeah.
She might have 1 million of these items already, but she still wants to look.
I'm buying every day.
Yeah. Even if she had any money, she wouldn't have any money because she spends it so quickly. So that will be a big issue. Well, they've got half a dozen of these little hut things down here that are open all the time. They don't just one part of the year. They're open all the year round, as far as I'm aware. Because every time I come down here, they're open anyway. And as I say, all the restaurants on our right-hand side, as you can see, are open as well. So plenty of places to eat if you come down here. And at the end, there's a little beach as well. So we'll show you that in a second or two. But it's very small. But I know in the summer it gets very busy. It's a lovely little beach, this one. I mean, not sure everyone's aware of it who come to visit Calpe, but certainly when I came here last, which has got to be about a year ago, I reckon. I can't even remember when I came here, it's so long ago. But it was absolutely rammed. It really was packed solid. But it's a lovely little location. And you've got bars overlooking the beach as well, which is quite nice.